Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Trains At, and today there's a sign. We're at Stoke-on-Trent, situated on the west coast main line on the Manchester route. So today here at cloudy and overcast cold Stoke-on-Trent, you'll see services by Virgin Trains, London Northwestern Railway, Crosscountry, Northern and East Midlands trains potentially. This is also my first trains out since my one at rugby I did it back in November of the year, and it's also my first one with the new London Northwestern Railway Company. I doubt I'll see the new livery, but we'll try. Over there we have platform 3, which is a bay platform that has the terminating Northern Rail hourly service, and then platform 2, which is generally the platform going north for services towards Crewe and Manchester. Then the south platform is towards like London and like Birmingham and places like that. And yeah, so let's start the video here at Stoke-on-Trent. Our first train of the day is going to be a cross-country arrival going to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. I don't know why I zoomed the camera in there. 221-003 for a cross-country service. Get lost quickly. There's a pigeon by my foot to Manchester Piccadilly. Arriving in now, we have a cross-country service going to Payton from Manchester Piccadilly. 222-016. A 4-car set. Off the 1344 cross-country service to Payton, one of the 2-day that goes all the way to Payton via Bristol. Off she goes. Arriving in now, we have a Virgin Trains Class 390 Pendolino with the 1350 Virgin Train service to Manchester Piccadilly. 390-119 from the service to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. Now departing is 390-016 with a Virgin Trains new livery Pendolino service to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. I've seen the new livery twice before. I've only ever taken a video of it twice. That's making a way to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. No trains at the moment, so I thought I'd just try. I made a mistake with that cross-country going to Manchester. It's come from Southampton Airport Parkway because there's no trains between Southampton Airport and Parkway and Bournemouth because of engineering works. For the 1359 London Northwestern Railway. Right, we now have a London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston from Crewe. (350-236).
London Northwestern service to Stafford, Rugeley, Lichfield.
Now departing, we have a London, and he said Midlands then, London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston from Crewe. That's going to be going via Stafford, Tamworth and Nuneaton, and also Milton Keynes. Here we have a cross-country Voyager going through to Southampton Airport 221135 for all the cross-country service to Southampton via Reading and Coventry. There, of course, is beautiful first class. Now the party goes 221130 with a cross-country service bound for Southampton Airport Parkway from Manchester Piccadilly. Arriving now, we have a Virgin Trains Pendolino going to London Euston from Manchester Piccadilly. 390042 in the old well, not really whole, but in the old livery. City of Bangor Pendolino. Arriving in now, we have a cross-country, is it Voyager? Yes, it is a cross-country class 220021 Voyager 7 going to Manchester Piccadilly from Exeter Centre, not from Exeter, sorry, it's from Bristol Temple Mead. Oh, it's a double set, I'll get the real numbers on her departure. Now the part we have a cross-country service going to Manchester Piccadilly from Bristol Temple Meads. On the rear, as I did say, it was 221114. So therefore, as it's a 5 and 4 wheel together, this train is 9 hours slow. Off she goes to Manchester. No. Arriving in now is an East Midlands train service. Double set. On the front is 153210 and on the rear is 153355 for an East Midlands train service to Derby from Crewe. That's the first East Midlands of the video. Off goes East Midlands train service through to Derby from from Crewe, that has come from. The station has now cleared with loads of train services. There's only a few people now. Arriving in now is one of the hourly London Northwestern Railway services to Birmingham New Street Crewe from London Euston. I was hoping to catch the new livery. 16 numbers off because the new livery is 121 and 375. That was going to Crewe from London Euston, 35105. Hopefully, maybe I'll do another session at another place that sees London Northwesterns and hopefully catch the new livery then. I will probably going to have a break now for half an hour, sit in the cafe, get some food, and then I'm going to come out and spot a few more and maybe I get a Northern Railway service. That's going to come in at 15:37 in an hour's time from now. But so far, at Stoke-on-Trent, so good. Arriving in now, we have a class 390 Virgin Trains Pendolino service to London Euston, another one of the new liveries, the first of the new livery one to be launched in September, 390-010. There we have another East Midlands place. This was a class 158 next to 153. That was the only service from Derby to Crewe from Derby. That's 158863. This will be one of my first and last Northern Railway services of the day, coming in from Manchester Piccadilly, terminating here at Stoke-on-Trent. I know I've only seen one because they're only an hourly service here at Stoke. And I missed the one when we came because it already left and I forgot to video it. I cannot see the numbers from all the way over here because I do not have good eyesight. Let me see if I can try and zoom in and show you. I make that 323226 from the Northern Railway service terminating from Manchester Piccadilly. The only thing I don't like about the 323s is they've got a blooming noisy engine. So I'm going to conclude my video here at Stoke-on-Trent on the west coast main line Manchester branch.
It's annoying.
Why? And over there is London Northwestern Rail Class 35251 with the Northern Railways, or has to be known in the future as River Rail North 323. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Leave a like. Shut up, mother. Stop it. It's just annoying me, mum. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Comment and subscribe. Click the right hand side of the screen to subscribe. Watch my last video by clicking the left hand side of the screen. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, guys, goodbye.